Hello students, now we are moving on to the lecture 4 for electric charges and fields. Moving on to the next topic, that is quantization of charge. So with the term quantization of charge, it basically means the smallest number available in the charge, and that is 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. I'm repeating this again and again. Remember that the electron may be the smallest indivisible particle, but the charge inside the electron is really divisible, but then it is not independent. So for your knowledge, should be knowing there are few other terms called as quarks, boson, and few other subatomic particles which have charges lower than the value of the charge of electron, but those are dependent, whereas in case of electron is the smallest charge available in an electron and it is independent, and that is why we call it as a fundamental value. It's independent of any other thing. For an example, we consider mass. It is again, mass is a fundamental property. We cannot divide mass, we cannot have any other division for mass. Similarly, this charge which has got no further division, and which is also available in integral multiple. It is always available in integral multiple as of. So if I say one electron, it can be one, it can be two electrons, it can be three electrons. So when I say integral multiple, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, the whole numbers. Whereas it can never be 2.5 electrons, 3.5 electrons, or maybe 3 by 3 over 7 electrons. So this is what I mean by integral multiple. If I want to give, if any atom has to give electron to the other atom, it will be in the form of whole numbers, like it will give 2 electrons or it will take 2 electrons. It can never be 2.5 or 3.5. And the final formula goes for quantization of charge is capital Q is equal to Ne, where Q is the total charge on the system, which you already know remains constant. And N is the number of electrons. Where small e is the value of the charge on one electron, that is 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. And with this we end up with the topic of quantization of charge. Thank you.